Okay, welcome back to the field. Here's maiden day of my AliExpress Skywalker. One of those cheapo models I got from AliExpress. It's almost a C1 chaser copy. It's a bit smaller, as a 1050mm wingspan. I'm running a 2200 kV motor with a 6x6 prop and a 2200 3S compact battery. Heaps of room in there for everything. This is the second flight for the day. I've added 15 grams of weight to the nose. It was a little bit possibly tail heavy, and I had to drop the throws quite a bit because they were very twitchy. But it is very windy today, but it's doing alright for maiden. Here we go for the second flight of my AliExpress Skywalker. Here we go. Whoa, maybe too much down trim on that one now. I'll have to fix that up. Back that throttle right off. Although it already seems like it's flying a bit more stable with that extra 15 grams in the nose. Maiden flight's a little bit hard to get down low, but I'll try. See how we go. A lot of wind gusts around here. And that looks, it might have been just a gust that got hit. I've dropped the throws to 60%. A little bit more down trim. Well, that 15 grams has certainly settled it. I probably could go a little bit back to 70% on those throws for the ailerons now. Still wanting to climb into that wind, but it's a gusty as. That 15 grams has just turned it around. Now it just looks as though elevator might be right. Let's try a little loop. Right. Elevator's fine. Yeah, I'm going to go up to 70. I've gone 60% on the ailerons. I'm going to go back to 70 on that. This now it's 5. So whoa, 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 whoa! We've got some very big turbulence there. Yeah. There's a bit of turbulence around. When you get a bit faster, she's out of control. So, I'm aware the day is not a great day for maiden, but so far we're doing alright. A bit more down. Really need a calm day to test this one. It's been so light. So total weight at this stage is going to be 520 grams flying. And I'm pretty happy with that so far. Oh, you can feel there's wind here. It is doing great, and that's straight flying. I've only got down trim on it. That's all I've got. Right, this is a great maiden. Just a touch more down. Yeah. This is a $38 model from AliExpress. Do a bit of work to it to get it looking perfect. Laminate everything. I changed the push rods, changed the engine mount, just because I like to have the engine have more cooling, so it sits out the back a little bit. Still a very light model for a metre wingspan, just over. I'm pretty happy with that. If this flies this well in these conditions, no problems. I'll just cut it there and see how she glides. Yeah. Alright, well look, this is a great success. Oh, still going. Go around for another lap. Looks like got a bit of down thrust on that. It's going to be where we throw along when you take it, it pushes down quite a bit. That's just the setup of the thing. It's actually a real floater. This at slope at the beach really well. Look at that. Well, I'm very happy. Great maiden.